Yo guys, what's up? Tomorrow's opening day trout season, so I'm pretty hyped. April 4th is the opening day for Pennsylvania, and I'm just going to be fishing with my spinning rod. I'm also going to be bringing along my fly rod, so hopefully we'll hook up there. So I guess we'll just get out there and see what we can catch. Alright guys, we made it to the spot. 1 minute until we can start fishing, so I'm gonna start, so see if we can get anything. Finally hooked up. Let's bring this guy in. It's a little guy, but it's a good starter. Guys, this is the first guy. Beautiful dude. Second one of the day. Oh. Got another one. Oh, quick release, I guess. Another beautiful trout. This one looks so much different than the other ones. This is the fifth one on the day. I didn't get them all on camera. There he is. Put this guy back. There he goes. Then, as soon as I brought out my fly rod, I hooked onto a giant trout. This is a long fight, so I'm gonna speed it up. And after finally landing this fish, these are the photos I got of it. It put up a crazy fight, and it was honestly an awesome fish. Alright guys, that's going to be all for today. We ended up catching 10 trout. I didn't get them on camera because some did slip away and some I wanted to release quickly. So I didn't get to film all that, but it was an awesome day. We caught some big fish, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.